Hello Kutties, I am your teacher Pavitra from Bharati Dasara Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Today we are going to learn a topic from English for UKG Kutties. Shall we children? It's very good. What topic today we are going to learn? See here, it is very interesting topic children. 3-letter words using vowels. Okay, what are the vowel letters children? Vowel letters என்னென்ன நம்ம vowel letter use பண்ணி 3-letter words பார்க்க போறோம். So first we have to know about vowels, right? So what are the vowel letters? Yes, you're correct. A, E, I, O, U. Am I right? Yes, A, E, I, O, U are the vowel letters, right children? So, in the previous session, we have learnt some of the 3-letter words by using vowel A, right? So, in this class, we are going to learn some more words by using another vowel letter, okay? You have to find out the vowel letter which I am going to use in all those letters in this class, okay? நம்ம போன செஷன்ல ஏவை யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம என்ன பார்த்தோம் 3-letter words பார்த்தோம் கரெக்ட்டா இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸ்ல இதுல இருக்க மீதி vowelல ஏதோ ஒரு vowel யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம 3-letter words பார்க்க போறோம் ஓகேவா so you have to find that vowel letter correctly at the end of the session you have to answer me okay children so the first 3-letter word is hen H E N hen see here can you see two types of hen here hens here ரெண்டு hens இருக்கு இல்லையா two types of hens இருக்கு இல்லையா சொல்லுங்க okay what is the difference between this hen and that one this is a daisy hen okay நாட்டுக்கோழி சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா that one and then this is a broiler hen okay வா நம்ம பண்ணையில எல்லாம் வளர்த்து நம்மளுடைய மீட்காக நமக்கு கொடுப்பாங்க இல்லையா so that hen is broiler hen right okay this is good for our health but this is not good for our health so don't eat broiler chicken okay children avoid to eat broiler chicken you have to eat only daisy chicken okay why children why it is not good for our health எதுக்கு அது நம்ம உடம்புக்கு நல்லது இல்ல listen I'll tell you நம்மளுடைய daisy hen இருக்கு இல்லையா அது வளர்றதுக்கு 200 days எடுத்துக்குமா ஓகேவா பட் broiler chicken can grow within 50 days okay so நல்லா யோசிச்சு பாருங்க 200 days ஆகுது இது வளர்றதுக்கு பட் நம்மளுடைய broiler chickensலாம் 50 days குள்ளவே வளர்ந்துருமா how is it possible it is possible because of steroids and drugs ஓகேவா so நம்ம என்ன பண்ண கூடாது broiler hens broiler chicken சாப்பிட கூடாது ஓகேவா children so what is the first 3-letter word yes H E N hen what is it children H E N hen very good usually we write English words in 4-line page right children likewise today also we are going to write the 3-letter word in the 4-line page so take your 4-line notebook sharp your pencil okay listen to me carefully how to write H listen keep your pencil on the second line okay from here slanting standing bend okay leave some space and then standing line go up make a eddy and then E and then N H E N hen what is the spelling of hen H E N hen very good what is the next word we are going to learn see here what picture is this yes dears this is the picture of jet okay it is one of the fastest aircrafts okay usually army people use jet planes okay children so what is the spelling of jet J E T jet repeat it again my dears J E T jet okay shall we write it in the 4 lines yes listen how to write in cursive look at the board carefully and you have to write neatly okay J should be in the 4 lines. Okay, J நம்ம எழுதும்போது 4 lines யும் touch பண்ணணும். Okay வா கண்ணா? So listen, keep your pencil on the second line. From here, right open curve, standing line till the bottom red line. Okay, go up and then E T, J E T, jet. How to write J? Listen carefully. From here, come down and then write J like this. Okay, J E T, jet. What is the spelling of jet? J E T, jet. Very good, dears. What is the next word we are going to learn? What picture is this, my kids? Yes, this is the picture of pen, right? P-E-N, pen. What is the spelling of pen? Yes, P-E-N, pen. Okay, நம்மளுக்கு எழுதணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா நம்ம pencil யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அப்புறம் என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? Pen யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். Am I right? It's very good. The short part of the pen is called nib. Okay, see here, this part is called nib. Okay, with the use of nib only we can write smoothly and nicely. Okay children, அழகாவும் ஸ்மூத்தாவும் இந்த நிப்போட ஹெல்ப்பால தான் நம்மளால எழுத முடியும். ஓகேவா? So the 3-letter word is P-E-N, pen. What word is this? Yes, P-E-N, pen. Very good. Now what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to learn how to write pen in the cursive letters. Listen. Keep a pencil on the top red line. From here, come down, touch the 3rd line, go up and then left open curve. Here, you should make a loop like this. Okay. Then listen. E, slanting, right open curve and then N, down open curve. Okay. So, P-E-N, pen. What word is that? P-E-N, pen. Very good, children. The next word. See here. What is it, kids? What is it, my dears? Yes, you're correct. This is the picture of key. What is it? Key. Yes. K-E-Y, key. Okay. எங்கெல்லாம் நம்ம key use பண்ணுவோம் சொல்லும்? Yes, very good. We use key to lock. Yes, very good. Then we can use keys for bike, car and then where? Homes also. Okay வா? Bike க்கு நம்ம key use பண்றோம், car க்கு key use பண்றோம், அப்புறம் suitcase க்கு use பண்றோமா? Very good. Then நம்ம எங்கயாவது வெளிய போறோம் அப்படினு சொன்னா key use பண்ணி என்ன பண்றோம்? நம்மளுடைய home லாக் பண்ணிட்டு போறோம். எதுக்காக சொல்ல நம்ம லாக் பண்ணனும்? For what purpose we are locking? Yes, for safety purpose we are locking our things. Right children? So lock and key is for safety purpose. Okay children? So K-E-Y, key. What is the spelling of key? K-E-Y, key. Look at here. Okay, listen. Keep your pencil on the second line. From here, listen. Slanting, standing, bend. Okay. See here. Slanting, slanting. E, Y. Upward open curve. Come down with a straight line. Bend and finish the letter Y like this. So this is the word K-E-Y, key. What word is that? Yes, K-E-Y, key. We are using key for safety purpose. You are correct, Arjun. So the next word is, what is it, children? Yes, this is a bed, right? It's very good. B-E-D, bed. What is the spelling of bed? B-E-D, bed. Very good. We can see bed in our bedrooms, right children? Bedroom la bed irukum. Okay. We can sleep on the bed, right? Okay. You have to do one thing, children. Go to bed early and then wake up early in the morning, so that only you can lead your day actively. actively. Okay children, நம்ம சீக்கிரமா தூங்கிரணும், லேட் நைட்ல மொபைல் கேம்ஸ் விளையாட கூடாது. ஓகேவா? So morning அதே மாதிரி என்ன பண்ணணும்? Wake up early. Okay children, சீக்கிரமா தூங்கிட்டு சீக்கிரமா எழுந்துக்கணும். ஓகேவா? So we are using bed for sleeping, right? B-E-D, bed, right? Now we are going to write the spelling of the word bed here. Okay, listen. Keep your pencil on the top red line. Okay, from here come down with the standing line, go up, make a loop and then left open curves, finish the curve with small circle, right? Here E D, go up, touch the top red line, come down with the same line and finish the letter D with a small bend, right? So B-E-D, bed. What word is that? Bed. What is the spelling of bed? B-E-D, bed. Very good. The next one, what is it dears? Have you ever seen this? எங்கயாவது நீங்க பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா செல்லம்? Yes, this is a net. N-E-T, net. We are using nets for fishing. மீன் பிடிக்க போகும்போது net யூஸ் பண்ணி பிடிப்பாங்க. சின்ன சின்ன மீன்லாம் பிடிக்க நம்மளுக்கு இந்த net யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஓகேவா? So nets are using for fishing, right? Okay. Fish is very healthy food, right children? So you have to eat fish. Okay children? So next, what we are going to do now? Yes, write the spelling of the word net. Keep your pencil on the third line. Okay, make a bend, go up with the standing line, slanting line, again go up with the standing line and finish it with the bend. N E T, net. N E T, net. What is the spelling of the word net? N E T, net. Very good. The next one is, what is it? What is it? What is it called? என்ன சொல்லும் இது? அதுக்குள்ள lion இருக்கு. Okay, but what is the total setup is called? Don't you know? It's okay. Now listen. We all live in our home, right? Okay, what about the animals? Yes, some of the animals may live in homes and then some of others live in forest, right? Forestல கொஞ்சம் animals இருக்கும், நம்ம வீட்ல கொஞ்சம் animals வளர்ப்போம். ஆமாதானே? Likewise, forestல இருக்க animalsக்கும் specifically கொஞ்சம் homes இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? So, lions live in dens. Okay, lionsலாம் டென்னில் தான் வாழும். நம்மளுடைய வீடு இருக்க மாதிரி லயனுடைய வீடை டென் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஒரு குகை இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அந்த குகைக்குள்ளே தான் லயன் வாழும். ஸோ the home of the lion is called den. What is it children? Den. D-E-N, den. What is the spelling of den? D-E-N, den. Very good. So what is the home of lion? Yes, you are correct. Den. Let's write the spelling of the word den. Okay, see, keep your pencil on the top red line. Okay, from here come down with the line, slanting line, circle, go up and finish the letter like this. So this is the letter D. Then E N, den. What word is this? Den. D-E-N, den, right? Very good. This is the home of lion. Good children. Okay children, so far we have learned some of the three-letter words by using on vowel, right? Now you are going to tell me what are the words we have learnt in this class. I am going to list it out. Okay, so tell me, what is the first word we have learnt in this class? You are correct. Hen. H E N, hen. What is the next one? Jet. Very good dears. J E T, jet. Good. What is the next one? You are correct. Pen. P E N, pen. Very good. What is the next one children? What is the next one? Bed. Good. B E D, bed. Another one is key. K E Y, key. What is the next one, children? What is the next one? You're correct. Net. N E T. Net. Okay, only one word is more. What word is that? Yes, that is den. D E N. Den. Right, children? Okay. In this class we have learned 7 words. Okay. All are 3-letter words. No doubt in that. But I have used only one vowel in the middle of the all words. What vowel is that? என்ன vowel சொல்லும் அது? என்னது? கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டீங்களா? கண்டுபிடிச்சச்சா? Yes. I have used E in the middle of the all 3-letter words. So, these words are also called as E sound words. What is it, children? E S O U N D sound words. W O R D S words. So, these words are also known as E sound words. Okay, children? Very good. So, for the further clarification, we have attached question bank, self-assessment and then study material in the below description. Now, I am going to explain the question bank. Okay, what are the Romans are there in the question bank, how to answer those questions. Okay, now I am going to explain. First one, write the dictation words. Okay, we have given some of the dictation words from the 3-letter words. You have to write it. Okay, the second Roman is write the missing letters. Okay, 3-letter words are given here. Some of the letters are missing there, so you have to find out the correct letter and then fill in the dashes. Okay, so what about the third Roman? See, look at the pictures and tick the answers. இந்த பக்கம் pictures இருக்கு, அதுக்கான 2 options இந்த பக்கம் இருக்கு. So, correctaன option நீங்க இங்க tick பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? What about the fourth Roman? See, look at the pictures and write their names. You have to see this picture and then write the names of those words in the given dashes. Okay, children? So, I hope you all enjoyed this session. So, meet you in the next class. Bye bye, children. Thank you.